Erect the ground now! On the ground!
On November 8th, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not.
This is not a normal traffic stop. At 142 miles per hour, one mistake can end multiple lives in seconds. The motorcycle is moving faster than most people have ever experienced. At this speed, reaction time is almost zero for the rider and everyone else on the road. Speed limits exist for one reason: survival. At 142 miles per hour, a crash isn't an accident, it's a catastrophe. Police now face a difficult decision: chase or contain the risk. Every second this continues, innocent drivers are in danger.
Blue motorcycle, driver's wearing a tan shirt, dark green pants.
The officers are trained not to panic during high-speed pursuits. They don't chase recklessly. They calculate risk, distance, and traffic flow. The goal is control, not collision. This is where experience and training matter most.
Don't try to break your neck, get that there. He's able to stay with it. Now we gotta get close. We're flat, yeah, he's about 130. Traffic, whatever, he's going to be another traffic.
Consequences. Excessive speed isn't bravery. It's a legal and moral violation. Laws treat extreme speeding as a serious offense because lives are at stake. One rider's decision can permanently change many families. This moment decides accountability.
And then on the shoulder right now, 430 south, get ready to go up to 12.
Erect out, erect out. Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! You're on the back. there.
Hey, can I got
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Hey, can I take this helmet off?
Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck. We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't care.
That red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
Did I get the U-bus off the hill? We're going back. Turn this way. Stop facing this way.
This footage is shared for awareness, not entertainment. It shows why speed laws exist and why enforcement matters. If you respect road safety and those who protect it, support responsible policing. Subscribe, show respect, and help promote safer roads for everyone.
I have the bill of sale on this phone. Slide in that. Can I pull these pants up real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have. You're right. I shouldn't have put y'all through that. Gun. Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is. Let me get my camera. Yes, sir.
How do you run off the road?
I blocked this lane and the shoulder.
That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped.
He could either stop or run off the road.